Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of African Air Kitchen. Today, we'll be cooking a quick and delicious Nigerian Indomie stir fry. These are the ingredients you need: Indomie noodles, eggs, onions, carrots, red and green bell peppers, vegetable oil, and your seasoning. Start by boiling water in a pot. Add your Indomie noodles and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, until soft but not too mushy. Once done, drain the water and set it aside. Next, heat some vegetable oil in a pan. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and peppers, and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Now, add the cooked noodles into the pan. Add the seasoning and stir everything together for about 1 to 2 minutes so the flavors blend well. In another pan, heat a little oil and fry your eggs until well cooked, about 2 to 3 minutes. Serve the stir-fried noodles on a plate and place the fried egg on top. And just like that, your delicious Indomie stir-fry is ready to enjoy. Did you enjoy this recipe? What food do you think we should prepare next? Comment below. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok at African's Eye Kitchen.